What's going on, guys? So in this video I am completely disassembling the Miata for paint. So everything's got to come off, every bolt has to come off. This whole video is basically me just going through in a montage format of chopping everything out. Maybe not chopping, but at least pulling things off and out of here. So stick around and watch it all the way through.
Do my thing like I'm bringing 88 back. When it comes to this rap shit, yo, I'm flawless. You rappers don't scare me like a jump shot from Giannis. Rawness when I step on the scene, it's so simple. See if you messing with my cheese, I'll have you bleeding a little. Yo, my fist will leave a dent up in your cheek like a dimple. Plus my homies got the sticks like Asian eating utensils. Check and see Schwarzenegger can't even flex with me. Cooking with these flows so you know my lyrics are recipes. Illest to the core and I'm sorta peaceful. Until niggas try to try me, then it's short and lethal. I just wanna be the champ, check the score and see. Though I'm obsessed with the rings even more than Smeagol. And these haters see me rising off the floor, and we know they want me to drop dead like gorgeous people. Oh my, see I be chasing after the revenue. Boy, I stand tall, got me feeling like I'm 7'2". I'm about to get it, no takebacks. Do my thing like I'm bringing 88 back. I'ma shoot my shot and I'ma make that. Got them all butt hurt and they hate that. I don't talk much, but I state facts. I don't talk much, but I state facts. I don't talk much, but I state facts. Do my thing like I'm bringing 88 back. Sorry bro, the life of the party is about to get it started though. Got your bitch saved in my phone under cardio. And I let him have it, I'm just blasting at you maggots. See coming at me is tragic, I'll make you actually vanish. See you say you about the life but got no hands like Kirby. But super wordy, yo, all that talking is never working. The squad all got hammers like Thor in case you looking. I ain't talking Magic's teammate when I say my niggas worthy. Look at me, I get it done. I am the one that be getting the green. Sick of my team by any means, spitting dope and singing no on my theme. Hold up, wait, I am a man on a mission. I damage is given, I'm middle and bitter, so bull I ain't pippin'. Pull up what you misses, I'm super division like one day I get it, you know it. I'm about to get it, no takebacks. Do my thing like I'm bringing 88 back. I'ma shoot my shot and I'ma make that. Got them all butt hurt and they hate that. I don't talk much, but I state facts. I don't talk much, but I state facts. I don't talk much, but I state facts. Do my thing like I'm bringing 88 back. Let me talk to these niggas. Sometimes you just gotta talk to these niggas. They all bark, ain't nobody got a bite like me. In the game, you're just yelling sorta like Spike Lee. I'm the franchise boy in a fresh white tee. I see when I'm in it, did it quite nicely. Ain't nobody got a bite like me. Ain't nobody got a bite like me. I'm the franchise boy in a fresh white tee. I see when I'm in it, did it quite nicely. I hate rappers, most of these motherfuckers is weird, overly sensitive and nothing that they say is sincere. Especially YouTube niggas that been trying to big time me. You're ghosting though when we compare streaming numbers, I'm ×3. So if you talk about me, better fix your tone, cause we know you wouldn't be known off of rapping alone or a cosign. I'm sorry if I'm leaving them rattled, but I don't respect rappers living in one reactor shadow. I'm the sickest man, literally ain't nobody iller than Ron Artest in the stands. Shit's about to hit the fan. In the can I serve them whoop ass. I'm grabbing the weapon, make them cry like newborns and cut them out like a C-section. We reppin' the west, that's the spot that you see me stepping on the GPS. You see the top, that's where we headed. Buddy, I'm a star and I'm sharper than a shuriken. Me compared to y'all is the shit you fighting serpents. They all bark, ain't nobody got a bite like me. In the game, you're just yelling sorta like Spike Lee. I'm the franchise boy in a fresh white tee. I see when I'm in it, did it quite nicely. Ain't nobody got a bite like me. Ain't nobody got a bite like me. I'm the franchise boy in a fresh white tee. I see when I'm in it, did it quite nicely. I'ma start by saying I'm the best rapper alive. I'm dapper and fly, but cheating. I'm fueled by my pride. See they piss when they witness me. I make them sick in their mind, but face to face I don't see pupils. I see bitch in their eyes. My goodness, follow dreams even when they said I shouldn't. In the booth with an apron and spatula. spatula, cause I'm cooking with the right things. Copy my style, but never cite me. I ain't Magic Johnson, but you probably shouldn't bite me, huh? Cause I'm the spark and I'm far from timid. I'm large and gifted, winning to get you harmless bitches. With this havoc, I'll make you vanish from the charts. I'm spitting like the best card in Yugi's deck. I'm a dark magician, let's get it. There's no wonder that they flow so thunder. My verses start off with a kick like the Stone Cold Stunner. It's agonizing to my ops and it's gonna get worse. I put every beat in a hearse when my words disperse. It's easy, and I'm sipping Crown loud when I'm in the crowd, rolling like a fat bitch. Your stomach is sitting down. Sounds got these niggas sneak dissing until I'm in the town. See, that's gonna cost you like luggage over 50 pounds. Walking out the gym, the gains are never slacking. Then it's brought to Trader Joe's, cause I'm only on organic shit, Very cold, Ontario, homie, there I go. Flyer than pigs, an unlikely scenario. They all start, ain't nobody got a bite like me. In the game, you're just young, so I'm like Spike Lee. I'm the franchise boy in a fresh white tee.
Oh, and this is the part I was talking about. You'll see there are 2 bolts there inside the fender, and then for most people you also have this one that's left, the one right above it. But I took it out because it's not really needed, and it's a pain in the ass to get to. So, other side.
Got me on core, a hotel like she on tour. My girl keep it on the low though, like a lawnmower. You already know.
Classy in the streets, but freaky on the lawn. If you're that somebody, then just let me know. Hey, you can see my mission is to get on. See, I already got it, but I want some more. West side, motherfucker, let's get it. East side, motherfucker, let's get it. South side, motherfucker, let's get it. North side, motherfucker, let's get it. Let's go. What's the idea? I'ma pull up outside. Like one. Like shorty hop in and let's ride. Like one. See me, you can tell I'm that guy. You know. Into my outside, all that shit fly. You know. Classy in the streets, but freaky on motherfucker, let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Illest in the city, see me rock, see me lean, see me lean, see me lean. Illest in the city, see me rock, see me lean, see me lean, see me lean. Got that dope.
All right, also
Got that dope.
again with this video thing,
Got that dope.
taking these
Got that dope.
nozzles off so we can actually
Got that
get the whole
dope.
thing.
Got that dope.
I need to type
Got that
there
dope.
because I don't
Love
have
the words, I'm a
anymore.
genius. Ripley's can't
But
even believe it. Whoop. Born in
either way,
LA, but I'm
these are
running
from the
shit
back.
out of Phoenix. Yo,
So basically
I'm the
right
type to
here,
mix
so
even they say that I'm egregious.
in there,
God damn it, yo, I'm so
pull
on
it
my
off
zone like
easy.
a college defense.
Alright,
BSB,
put
ballin'
those
to my
off,
legs.
don't
Give
spray
out
anything
the
on my
circle
windshield.
is exclusive
So,
squares. Yo, we leave
yeah.
them out. There's no
I'll tell you
need
what's
for
coming
doubt.
next,
Check it, I'm destined to get it. I just invest in the vision and then we set up
Few
to
months.
win it. Shitting on competition like pigeons
say
on a
that.
laxative. I'm track damaging and you bastards can't even handle it. Hype dude, and I'll take your bitch with a haiku. Realist with the raps and got beats like Dwight Schrute. Bears, beats, Battlestar Galactica. Illest in the city, see me rock, see me